Come on, do something spectacular. Now I'm watching.
Stood here watching fucking storms with a brolly. Fucking
Yeah.
touche.
Possibly not the best idea.
It's not a metal one.
It's alright then.
It's plastic. There we go, look.
Ah, it's love.
Is my door shut? Yeah.
Mostly.
Slightly. Dad. Hey, Dad. Hey? There's a lovely one where I'm stood as well.
It's everywhere.
Yeah, we're in opposite our Allen's actually. Yeah, it was a nice view. We watched it roll in from work and we've been watching it ever since.
Ironic, the minute I put a camera at it, it goes quiet.
Yeah, fucking hellfire.
Look at that.
I think that we're right above us actually, Paul.
Oh, ironic.
Got a brolly, Dad. Wow, that's nice. I think there's two storms, to be honest. The one we're watching and one that's happening behind us as well, which is the one where you are. Why are we still getting wet through in this fucking brolly?
Don't know.
Yeah?
Is it a crap brolly?
Oh, it's bouncing it down here where we are. We're getting some right fucking looks. Because we're stood outside the car, parked up taping a thunderstorm with a brolly. Most people don't have a brolly up when they're in fucking thunderstorms, Dad. Oh, can you smell that?
It's not doing no.
I've got a big fishing brolly. I'm getting wet through though. Right, I'm going to let you go, Dad, anyway, because my phone's getting wet. Alright, and I shall see you tomorrow. Alright then. Alright, no worries. Alright. Alright, bye.
Yeah, it's sort of, as soon as I point the camera at it, it's gone all sort of pathetic.
Yeah, my dad said he's got a good storm going over where he is. Is that okay? It's gonna down my back. Fucker. I guess my door being open's left light on then.
Well, good, because then she's...
Jesus Christ.
Yeah?
What?
Camera. Nah, I think
there's more going on. Oh, Jesus Christ.
where was that?
That was behind us.
Ironic, because I'm pointing the wrong way.
Right, I'm going. Are you ready?